I wanted to do today an outfit of the day just because I was ready to go out the door and I had about 10 minutes to kill. So first let's just start with the shoes. These are Christian Louboutin shoes. I love them. They're only like a 3-inch heel, 2.5. Well, they're only like a 3-inch heel, but then they've got like a 1/2-inch platform, so they're so comfortable. They're like walking in a 2-inch heel. And they're Christian Louboutins. Don't mind the little thing in the back because they slip. So I had to put like a little thing in the back, which is a pain, but nobody sees it. And everybody says, what about the bottoms of your shoes? Why don't you get them fixed? Well, when you're walking, nobody sees this part. All they see is that part on the Louboutin, so I don't even care if the bottoms get marked up. But these are, I forget what these particular ones are called, but I really like them because they're low heel. You can wear them with jeans. So those are the shoes I'm wearing, and I really like them because they're very, very comfortable. I have on my Rock Revival jeans. I love these jeans. They're so comfortable. I've got kind of, since I lost all the weight, I've got kind of a flat butt. And what happens is, if with the pockets here and all the doodads, it kind of makes your butt look a little bit fuller. Because like I said, my butt, that's the first place I lost it, was my butt and my boobs. So anyway, that's one of the things I really like about these jeans, is they kind of make your butt look a little perkier. This shirt I got at Macy's. It's just a kind of what you call a bustier. It's got a zipper here, and it hides a lot of this little belly thing I have going on. I call this my insurance policy. When my husband got sick, I weighed more than he did at the time that he passed away, and he lost like 70 pounds. So I'm keeping this for insurance. If I ever get sick, this will keep me going. It might keep me going for a little while. I really like this top. You can wear this with anything. Brown, yellow, green, which takes me to this jacket. I got it at Macy's. I caught it on sale for like, oh gosh, $15. And it's just a fun little jacket. I like the lapels, the way they go. And I'm going to wear my Ray-Ban sunglasses. I'm going to go out in my convertible. And today I'm going to carry my Balenciaga, which I love this bag so much. This has been one of my favorite bags to ever carry. It's got the shoulder strap, so when you're busy, you can shoulder strap it if you've got other packages to carry, or you can just do it like so. I put my little keychain on the side so I can carry my keys on it. I went to my local shoe store and got some extra of these because one of these, I just didn't think it was enough, and one of them broke. So I got some extra little tassels to put on it. I just really like this handbag. So that's my outfit of the day. I have on these big earrings that I got at Charlotte Russe. They were like $1 or something, but these have been one of my favorite earrings. And that's my outfit of the day. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I love you all. Till next time. Bye.